Now, in our examples, we have seen namespace as name of project. But what are these namespaces? In simple terms, namespace is a space for names to solve same name conflicts. Not only namespaces resolve names, but also they help in organizing our code in a structured manner. If you are still wondering, then let's take a simple example. In our examples, we use writeLine method. Yes, writeLine comes from class console. But where does console class reside? Yes, you have the answer. Namespace system is the location where we have console class. Also within console class, we have our static method, writeLine. Hope now you have a slight idea about namespaces. Next, let's work out examples on namespaces. First, create a new console application. Now, move to main method. Here, let's print EnggForum using writeLine method. Next, let's move to location, where we have definition for method writeLine. Right-click writeLine, go to definition option. Here, we will be redirected to console class within system namespace. Here we can see definition for writeLine method given. Now, before we access writeLine method from console class, we should use system namespace in our program. Also, we have system DLL, which has definition added in reference. Since system DLL or assembly was added, we were able to use system namespace and invoke method writeLine from our console class. In our next example, we will create a new namespace in our application. Let's create a namespace in our example project. First, open a new console application. Here, let's delete namespaces, which are included at header of our program. Now, let's create a new namespace outside our current project namespace. Here we have namespace as EnggForum 2. Next, create a class inside namespace EnggForum 2. Here, we have class console. Next, define a method, writeLine. Now, make writeLine method print statement, EnggForum 2. Here remember, we have not used namespace in program headers. Now, append namespace system before we use class console to access writeLine method. Also include read method from class console, which resides in namespace system. Here our task will be to access writeLine method in console class inside namespace EnggForum 2 from our main method. First, let's print some text in main method using writeLine method. Remember to specify namespace as system. Next, let's access writeLine method, which resides in EnggForum 2. Here follows syntax, EnggForum 2, console class, then we have writeLine method. Finally, save and check out results. Thus, we have accessed method from another namespace without any issues. Now, if we include namespace in program header, we don't have to repeat namespace each time when we access class. Thus, we have created namespace and accessed class methods. Thank you for taking this unit.